This is the black and gold stackable Banquet chair. These are really great chairs. We're very pleased with them. We're using this in this game room right here. You can see it's got this tall poker table. Why we chose these as a very tall seat height compared to a lot of other chairs. The seat height is about 19.5 inches. So this table here, it's a little bit higher because it does have the top where it does the poker table and the inserts and the drink holders and things like that. So we're looking for a taller seat chair, and this definitely fits the bill. We're very pleased with these. They have a really nice look to it. They're very comfortable. So if you're sitting on this playing games or whatever, you could sit. It's rated for sitting in it for a long time. We're very happy with it. It's made very well. You could stack these. We don't stack them. We just keep them around this table. But it has the feet on it, so it doesn't move. It slides really nice and easy. This is just a very comfortable seat here. It's got the padding on the back here, but overall, we're very pleased with these seats. Definitely happy with them. Definitely happy with the height and the durability. So if you're looking for some new seats, this is the Banquet seating. It's the black with the gold on it. Highly recommend these.